Let me show you how easy it is to generate tens or even hundreds of sales using UGC ads from Nextify without the need to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to marketing agencies so they create for you high quality UGC ads ready to grab attention, keep attention, and of course generate more sales. As a first step, click the link down in the description of this video and sign up to Nextify.ai 100% free of charge and also get free credits to test the software by yourself. Then you need to click here Tools, click UGC Product Video, and from here you are going to see some sections. The first step is to select a real-looking actor to make the UGC video for us. Here, Nextify.ai has ready avatars we can use. If you click this button right here, you are going to see more avatars. Right now, I'm going to create a UGC ad for a product that is targeting women. So I'm going to pick a female actor. After clicking this button a few times, I found the perfect actor for this UGC video ad. I'm going to click it. You will see the actor right here. Then I just went to a random website and just saved this product image in my computer. I also copied all the text right here which described this product. Going back to Nextify.ai, I clicked Upload Image and then opened to upload the product image I just copied previously in the other website. The product image is here. Here I pasted a script to generate the words that this woman is going to tell about our product in the UGC video. Now I will show you how I got a really effective sales pitch for the UGC video ad using ChatGPT. You may pause this video and use something equal for your own product. What I told to ChatGPT is separated into parts. Part 1. I use Nextify.ai to create a UGC video ad using Clink 3.0 Omni for a product with details, name of product, and then I just pasted the description I found on the website with that product. In this section here, I'm repeating to ChatGPT what it must do. Make me the proper text script for Nextify.ai using Clink 3.0 for a UGC video. I will provide image of the product to Clink 3.0 using Nextify.ai platform. So as you see here, I make a description here to ChatGPT for what I'm going to do, and then I repeat it here with more details. For example, the image I added on Nextify.ai. This helps me make ChatGPT give me a correct answer. And on the second note, I write for a 15-second UGC ad, we want hook, benefits, product, and offer CTA. For those that are beginners, hook is something we tell to grab attention from the viewer. Benefits are of course the benefits of our product. Then we tell about the product, and here is our offer, the price, any bonuses, and goes on. And this is all we need to paste to ChatGPT. Let's see now the result of our efforts. I'm going to click here. You can enlarge the video ad if you want to see it more clearly. Let's click this.
My new nighttime essential. Wiley Body's Evening Ritual Spray is a topical magnesium oil with aloe vera and grounding essential oils to soothe tired muscles and ease tension. Shake, spray, rest. Normally $67, now just $36. Get yours today at this special price.
You can see clearly that we have a high quality, real looking ad ready to run for our product. And we did that in just a few minutes and without spending a fortune. If you click the link down in the description of this video, you are going to see this page. where you will see the different AI tools that Nextify.ai uses and different types of ads you can create. In this video demonstration with Nextify.ai, I showed you how you can use UGC video ads. However, there are many types of ads you can create using Nextify.ai. You can create just viral video ads, upload images to create ads, copy already viral ads you see on Facebook, for example, or somewhere else, and create a video which is not same, but it has the similar effect and many other things. Prices are also a no-brainer for what the software has to offer to us. We have the starter version for 23.42 USD per month, the Pro version 47.42, and the business version for 126 USD per month. So what are you waiting for? Simply click the link down in the description of this video and get your 100% free trial with Nextify.ai.